Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 258 of my High School Video Journal. And today I'll be talking a bit about machine learning's lingo, which I learned from the CS229 course from Stanford Engineering's YouTube channel. You can find it, it's by Andrew NG. It's like 5 years old, 2018, 2019, somewhere around that. So, first of all, I'll be talking a bit about how the equations are set up. All of the equations are set up as h of x, h being hypothesis of x. Why is it this? Well, the reason why is because someone a long time ago kind of just chose to make it h of x, letting everyone use it kind of just became a trend, with theta being a parameter, meaning that how many number of candy, what happiness that leads to you, more candy, more happiness, less candy, less happiness, kind of something like that. Then M is the number of training examples you have. This can be 5 rows of training examples, 10 rows, 50, 30, 100. You can have a lot of training rows. It's just the more data, the better your ML model can basically learn and train, because this is supervised learning. Remember, supervised learning is when you give it a lot of data, it learns from that data, and then you can use it to predict new data. This requires training and a lot of training. If you give it like 3 data sets, it's not going to be very good. But if you give it 1,000, it's going to be much better. The next thing is X, which being the inputs, Y being the outputs. X comma Y, that's your training example. And yeah, that's kind of it with the machine learning lingo. Again, supervised learning, it's just something where you give your machine learning model a lot of data. It learns and makes a linear regression calculation from that data using learning rates, reward rates, all of this type of stuff. And then using all of this, it makes new predictions. See you guys tomorrow.